Welcome to the Frasers SsangYong video walk round for the SsangYong Korando. This is a SsangYong Korando 1.5 GDI Turbo Petrol Ultimate Automatic. It's finished in cherry red metallic with dark grey leather interior. Like all SsangYongs, this car comes with a 7-year 150,000 miles warranty. The Korando Ultimate's got a great specification. Exterior specification includes 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, keyless entry with keyless start, front and rear parking sensors with rear parking camera, rear privacy glass, LED front fog lights, LED front and rear daytime running lights, LED multi-focus headlights, automatic headlights, automatic front wipers, and a host of safety features. These safety features include traction control, stability control and anti-lock brakes, along with auto dipping headlights where it puts the main beam on and off itself, hill start assist, hill descent control, emergency stop signal, autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition, front vehicle start alert, driver attention alert, safety distance alert, along with a whole suite of airbags and the SOS emergency call system. All these features help the Korando range get 5 stars in Euro NCAP crash test scores, which is the top score you can get. Specification inside includes leather seats, electrically operated front seats, also has colour adjustable mood lighting in the doors and the front dash panel. You should be able to see the red lines there. It's a bit bright to actually see it properly. Large touchscreen infotainment which houses TomTom navigation, along with DAB radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto and the screen for the rear parking camera. We have dual zone climate control, which is adjustable on the screen as well. And you have front heated and ventilated front seats, along with cruise control and a heated steering wheel. The car also features a digital cockpit, which is customisable with the digital speedometers, map as well, which you have a few settings for, 3D, 2D mirroring what's on the main screen, the directions for when you get sat nav set up as well. All your driver assist functions there as well, and then back to the digital dash options. The car also has front and rear electric windows and electrically operated heated and power folding door mirrors. Spacious rear seats as well, some of the most spacious in class, with 60/40 split fold seats. And you also have a power tailgate on the automatic versions like this one. You also get a retractable load cover, and it's a split level boot, so you have the larger section available as well if you wish. At Frasers SsangYong we've always got a fantastic selection of offers on the Korando range. To find out more about them, visit our website please at www.fraserscars.co.uk. You can also give the sales teams a call. Our Falkirk branch is available on 01324 632 333. Our Edinburgh branch is available on 0131 443 2293. You can also come along and visit us at Frasers of Falkirk SsangYong, which is in Glasgow Road in Camelin, Falkirk. The postcode is FK1 4JQ. You can also visit us at Frasers SsangYong in Edinburgh, which is at 553 Gorgie Road in Edinburgh. postcode is EH113LE. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then feel free to leave a comment and we'll get back to you on that medium as well. So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.